So, Liverpool 2, super duper Arsenal, scary Arsenal 1. Scary Arsenal. Wow. Oh my God. Super duper scary, scintillating, world class, amazing, beautiful champions for the. Oh my God. How did we lose then? How did we lose? Cheers. Smash the like button. Oh, sorry, that's all the mutants' tears I'm drinking. Mixed with a little bit of fake positivity from the clickbait merchants. We're now going to smoke the Top Gooner pack. But Lee, it's only pre-season. There was no Saka. There was no Declan. There was no Saliba. There was no David Raya. And Odegaard was playing. Thomas Partey was playing. Like, it was only a year or so ago. Thomas Partey was the best midfield, best DM in the world, lads. And lasses, unicorns as well. He non-binary. We had Benjamin White playing. We had Gabriel playing. We had the Bolivian striker up front. 29 was in midfield. Don't know why, because I mean that went so well for the half of the season that he played there, didn't it? All of a sudden, as soon as he's in the penalty, but he scored. Okay, duly noted. Duly noted, mate. Duly noted. Martinelli was playing. Trossard was playing. The King of Zamunda came on, running around like a dog chasing a tennis ball again, chasing his first touch. Fabio Vieira, Bernardo Silva, he played. Reece Nelson, Reece. What are we doing here? Oh, the politician played. The politician. Out of position again for the first goal. Out of position for most of the game. He's inverted. I'm glad everyone's woken up on this guy, by the way. It only took you 2 years. I mean, I was telling you. Leave your apologies in the comments section. Lee, you was right, but we were born buffering and we're 2 years behind as always because we want to be the toppest of top winners. How funny is it that I literally predicted what Arsenal would tweet at full time? And I predicted that in the first half when we went 2-0 down. I predicted it. Nearly word perfect. I said multiple times at the end of the first half, at halftime, and the second half. I said, don't worry, Matt. Big up Matty as well, Southern Gooner. I said, don't worry, Matt. I said, because if we don't win this game, they'll just put more minutes in the tank. So what did they do? Obviously, we know they watched the channel. Clearly, because this happens all too regular. Oh, hold on. No, maybe Lee knows what the club are going to. Okay, cool. So you Wide Awake Club. All the Wide Awake Club, give yourselves a pat on the back. Well done. Because when you know what's going on, you can predict the future. Hence why I never had the face snap. Oh, hold on. We might be signing him. We can do it all over again. We can go back to COVID times and wear the face snappy. Get out of here, man. Yeah. They tweeted out a picture of 2 of our players. Another 90 minutes in the tank. Then they tweeted out some PR crap of, I can't even remember who it was. I wasn't even looking. Yeah. You've been great, Philadelphia, at Eagles. Yeah, with a handshake emoji. Okay, cool. Real Madrid just lost. They just lost to AC Milan. What did Real Madrid tweet? Oh, they tweeted out the scoreline. AC Milan 1, Real Madrid 0, nil, whatever, nada. The goal scorer, the minute, Chukwueze, 55 minutes, at Real Madrid. No, hashtag, sorry, Real Madrid on tour. Hashtag Emirates. That's it. Not more minutes in the tank. When you get to grips with what this club is, you'll end up on the same page as me. Unfortunately, a lot of you guys that watch this, not all of you, but a lot of you that watch this from afar, preying in the background, voyeuring in the background with the goggles, the Trossardinios in the background. You agree with a lot of what I say, but you don't like the way I say it. And I don't really care, if I'm honest. However, what I see out there today was exactly what I see last season. Same old, same old. Yeah, but Lee, we need Declan Rice back in midfield. Calafiori wasn't playing. Timber didn't play. They weren't in the squad. Okay, cool. Well, Timber never played last season. How do we know how good he is? We've not seen him play, really. He looked good in the last game. Did you notice the game never went to penalties tonight? Why was that? Oh, of course. Okay, because it wasn't at Stan Kroenke Stadium. Of course. It's about the money. Why is it every game in America kicked off late? It's about the money, more ad revenue. I get it. Fair play. Now fucking reinvest it in the squad. Reinvest it in the squad. Calafiori. Oh, look at him. He's got aura. Why don't you just say you fancy him? No, real talk. Just say you fancy the guy. This is the most feminine fan base in world football. I have never seen anything like that. I've not seen any compilations of this guy defending over the internet. All I see is black and white pictures. Yeah. And, he's got aura. Yeah, do me a favour, mate. Can he win me a title? Yay, nay, or bollocks? Yeah, let me ask you guys a question. And I know a lot of you are going to start putting in names of Argentinians, names of other nationalities. Name me an Italian. I'll say it one more time for the cheap seats at the back. Name me an Italian defender. Italian. Yes, it's about the money. Italian defender that has directly left Serie A. Doesn't mean he's gone somewhere else. He's left Serie A to come to the Premier League and has smashed it. Can you name me one? Ogbonna? That's probably about where we're at, lads. But anyway, leave yours down below. And I'm not talking about Cuti Romero. He's Argentinian, mate. I'm not talking about midfielders. I'm not talking about forwards. We're talking about defenders. Zappacosta, Emerson, Ogbonna, Damian. It's all going well, isn't it, lads? Name me an Italian defender that has directly left Serie A to come straight to the Premier League and he's Italian and comes straight to the Prem. That has smashed it. Hopefully he does. Hopefully he does. However, I don't think he will. He ain't the game changer. Mikel Moreno. We all know what Arsenal are going to do. They're going to do that cringy stuff that they normally do because I can predict what they're going to do. They're going to do the Spider-Man gif where they're both pointing at each other. Mikel meets Mikel. Again, I watch La Liga and I have done for 20 years. And I have watched Sociedad a lot last season. He's their third best midfielder after Zubamendi and Brais Mendes. Decent player, shocking passing, good at ball recoveries. So we've signed a defender when we had the best defense. Now we've signed a number 8 that can't pass, but can defend. Okay, are we Stoke? Under Pulis? Are we prime Burnley? Under Dyche? Every man and their dog, not called Win, but every man and their dog can see what we need. We need a striker. We need a Saka. Yeah. Somebody to give Saka. Yeah. Elise would have been perfect. However, we didn't want to pay 40 mil for him. So Bayern got him instead. Yeah. Because they're an elite club. They realized, whoa, we ain't won nothing. That's the first time in 12 years. You're coming here. Yo, Paulina, why didn't we sign both of them? Both live in London. Why haven't we signed Ivan Toney? That's all solves 3 positions straight away. Then go and sign Calafiori. Job done. We're fixed. Now I'll be sitting there going, yo, I think we can win a title. What do I think is going to happen this season? The same as last season. Fuck all. It don't matter because by Christmas, we're halfway to the 9-year trophy drought that Big Daddy Vengs got us to. And at the halfway point, fans were punching each other up in the stadium. Fans were arguing online, Wenger in, Wenger out. We're at the halfway stage at Christmas. And last time I checked, oh, hold on, let me just check. Right. We can't win anything by then. And we'll be 4.5 years into a trophy drought. What's the difference? Oh, yeah, the constant the PR, Oh, the Hearts. Oh, minutes in the tank. He rejected Bayern. He rejected Madrid. He rejected Barca. Get out of here, man. This league and this club stink. Yeah, that performance was shocking. There's nothing short of what I expected anyway, which is why I'm being sarcastic with it. Gabby Jesus couldn't finish a wank. 29 can't play in midfield. The politician can't defend. Yeah, the goalkeeper is useless, which is why we're going to loan him out. Like, what are we doing here? Reece Nelson, sorry, mate, not good enough. Eddie Nketiah runs around like a crackhead down fucking King's Cross, kicking the Coke can, the empty. You spare change, mate. Get out of here. Yeah, Gabriel Magalhaes was probably our best defender, probably our best player. 29 actually played all right, and he took his goal well. Fair play to him. Put him in the penalty box, mate. Yeah, what are we doing here? Like, honestly, what are we doing here? Thomas Partey, by the way, was disgusting today. Yeah, Reece Nelson was the worst player on the pitch, though. Yeah, Ben White. Odegaard, where was our captain today? Why does this guy take 1 billion touches in a penalty box? Fucking shoot, mate. Yeah, it's jarring. Same as last season. But don't worry, we've got Saka coming back. Yeah, the Saka that's now got the mental block. Been to 2 finals with England, couldn't get over the line. Lost 2 title races, couldn't get over the line. Lost a top 4 race, couldn't get over the line. He's either tanking this season or he's going to have the greatest season he's ever had. And I beg he has the greatest season he ever has, because I want my club to go back to this. Success. Trophies. Yeah, there is no progress without trophies. Yeah, how much longer does this shit roll? But Lee, you're overreacting. It's only pre-season. Cool. Say less. Say less. Say less. Make sure you sub to the channel. Bless up to everyone who has. We're well over 100k now, nearly 101. I've got Jez coming up on a fan cam now, and then I'm going to bed. It's 2 minutes past 5 in the morning. Bless up to all the overseas fans, because now I know what you go through. Yeah, and I can't. I did this for the Copa America, and I've done it again for this. It is long. So bless up to everyone who watches from overseas as well. But yeah, we're out of here. Leave your thoughts down below. Super duper Mick. Yeah, well done, mate. Well done. Ciao.